Yo guys, what up? Today we're jumping hay bales. Right now I got 2 hay bales out from the barn. I'm just gonna make some imaginary spots where hay bales would be because I don't want to drag out like a bunch because they're kind of heavy and annoying. But right now, so we got about 3.5 hay bales right here. Let's see if we can jump it and see how many hay bales we can jump in total. What's the maximum amount we can jump? There's only one way to find out. All right, we got 3 bales right now, so shouldn't be too hard. Let's see if we can do 3 bales. All right, there's 3. Let's go to 4. Just gonna move this one right here. All right, 4 bales. Let's do it. Four bales coming up. 4 bales. Not too bad. All right, now is where it's gonna start to get a little bit more sinister. Going to 5 bales right now. Oh. 5 bales. All right, now we're getting towards the max range, I think. So anything after this is gonna be intense. 5 bales. Let's do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I went off of that a little bit slow for 5. I'm pretty sure I made it. The jump is a little bit startling, the way that it sounds when you go off it. Okay, but all right, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6 bales now, you guys. Oh. This is where it starts to get sketchy, for sure. That's gonna be close. All right, this might be the limit. You never know. You never know the limit until you find it. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Oh my god. All right guys, this is the last one, I swear. This is it. I'm stopping at 8. This is just an absolute accident waiting to happen. I'm going to 8 bales here. And that is the end for today. Let's see if we can do 8 bales without crashing. This is gonna be intense, especially coming around that curve. All right, let's do the full. We're gonna do the full run up this time. Go around the back, hit those other 2 jumps first. The only thing is it's all wet back here. So now my tires are all wet. So it's not exactly ideal. Just make sure they're dry. All right, we're going in. 8 bales. Oh! Oh my god. 8 bales. Man, that is like Evel Knievel, man. Evel Knievel. It's like the length of 2 surrons. See you guys in the next video. Bye.